got that G, got my nullos. I'm just saying. We pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get
stop
finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a
3, 2, 1, action.
Dividend.
It's Saudi and I'm back for yet another video, and I hope you guys are having a good time. Welcome to my channel. Like that, honey. Oh yes, it is true. It's time to reveal what we do best. So this month I showed you guys something last month, telling you guys what I've been doing and how I make $700 plus $700 a month, and no one is listening, so I am doing another video again to let you guys know how I am doing it. And guess what? It's time to reveal the So this month I made 800 plus. Yes, exactly 800 plus. Guys, do you know what's going on? It's growing. People will not listen to you until they start seeing big amounts and they're like, oh my god, you know. But I'll be sharing with you. I'm sharing with you guys today. So yes, this month of August, the check came in, that income came in, 800 plus. That's what I made this month, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy because that will help pay some of my bills, and I will do what? Reinvest some of them too, or I may even reinvest all of it. Yes, because you just never know. My goal is to retire by the time I'm 40. I want to be retired by then. So in other words, I'm trying to hustle. So by the time I'm 40, I'm retired, I'm done, and it's time for the kids to start marching into this world. So with that, I know that I have to hustle even more. So yes, what are we talking about is my dividend investments. Yeah, that is it right there. This is not fake. I made this money in my sleep. Yes, in my sleep, because I worked so hard all those years, then invested it, and now that money is making money. I used money to make money. Guys, I have heard that in the black community. I'm pissed to hear this, that money lasts with us 2 to 4 hours. What the fuck is that? 2 to 4 fucking hours? Are you guys kidding me? That is ridiculous to me. Like, it doesn't make sense. That is a generational curse that we have to kick to the curb. I know that's right. I'm sorry. That's how I was like, okay, it's a movement, bitches. Dividend investing. If you're black and you're not dividend investing, fuck you. We have to start creating these are the type of trends I want to come to the front line. Like, bitches, we are changing the game. We are changing that generational cost of money lasting with us 2 to 4 hours, and now we are now working towards making money in our sleep.
The woman I'm trying to become would draw no satisfaction from this at all. Fortunately, I'm not that woman just yet.
Not because when someone is rich and they're black, like, oh, it must be a rapper or an NBA player or something. You know, it's not like, oh, because this person is smart and they're investors. No, we never get that kind of reputation. And I was like, I'm a hairstylist, but I don't want to be, no, I'm not just a hairstylist. No, bitch. I have a college degree in electrical electronics engineering. You guys know that. Life gave me lime and I'm making lemonade. That's how I got stuck becoming a hairstylist. But do you think I see myself, oh, you're just a hairstylist? I'm not, because it's my backup plan that I'm using to make a living. Okay, so I was like, you know what? Hello, let's change that reputation of, oh, the only way black people can make money is to be to say, oh my god, everyone owes me something, or NBA player or rappers or stuff like that. No, we are more than that. We have medical doctors, engineers, doctors, like hairstylists, like we have, like, hello. But I was like, okay, what about investment? I've not seen a hairstylist that is into investing. Holla. I'll be like, I'm taking that position, honey. I'm sorry. So that's why today I am revealing what I make now from my investment in dividends. There you go, $800. Last month I made $700. This month I made $800. I'm giving myself a raise, and someday that will be like 2,000, 3,000, and by then I don't think I will be working a job, because if I'm making $2,000 a month, that can pay pay my bills, like my bills, because right now I'm paying my rent at the salon is $531 a week. You see, so I'm spending so much just to make this little. So if my dividends can make up to 2,000 a month, then I don't need a job. At that point I'm like, okay, yeah, I can just get a part-time job 1 or 2 days a week for health insurance. That will be it. Yeah, so then if I'm working, it's because of health insurance, not because I have to. Okay, and I'm just exposing my card. I'm showing you some of my cards of what I'm doing to make a living. Okay, so that it is. Yes, yep,
the is getting hot in this sweater dress. Let me turn on the fan real quick.
it is. I want this to be a trend. Hashtag black in investing. Hashtag smart in investing. Something. People in investing. Let it not just be for black people, but I'm just saying it's for everyone. But I'm just saying, like, hello, you don't have to be a millionaire to start investing in dividends. I'm not a millionaire. You guys know. I'm broke ass, but the thing is that I don't have a car. You know how some people will have $20,000, then they buy $15,000 car, then they rent house of $2,000. You know, I'm living under my means, within my means, and then I take the buses, take the trains, walk rather than taking Ubers, doing the sacrifices. Rather than having 10 perfumes, I have 1 perfume. When that one finishes, Victoria's Secret perfume, yes, not even my main perfumes of those big amounts, no. Victoria's Secret, bitches. You know, and I put, now the way I look at money is so different. The only time I don't look at the cost is when my siblings want money, or my sister or my mom. What do you want? They tell me, I'm like, okay, immediately they get it. Okay, but when it comes to spending things, trivial things, I'm like, why am I going to eat out when I can just cook, and that will last me 3 days, then go out and eat, and it's like $20-$30 for a plate of okay, I can just throw $25 or $20 into my dividends and move on. See what I'm thinking? I don't think about money. Like, yeah, like, cost for me is like, okay, you know, then I pay my bills, the minimum balance, you know, because someday I want to use, when I'm writing off those loans, it will just be instantly, but I want them to make money before paying them off. I can pay them right now, but I'm using them to make more money, then I pay them off until the value that I've gotten from them is equal to what I put in there. Then I'll take it out and just give it back to the loan and pay them off.
Okay.
And I always pay the minimum to avoid the interest. Okay, I'm saying this to you guys because dividend is real. Dividend investing, I'm making money in my sleep, and I'm also making money when I'm awake, and I'm also here with you guys explaining what I do. Guys, I'm saying this, but no one is listening. I'm a hairstylist, and let's be real, I'm one of the bottom feeders in the hair industry because of the way we look. I know how it is, but I don't care, because cancel culture, when I hear people are like, oh my god, cancel culture, these people, this cancel culture, oh my god, I no longer make money because of cancel culture. And I'm like, I don't give a fuck. And they're like, why? Because I'm like, because I make money. I created other means of making a living, so that way if I blow up for some reason and I make a living from YouTube or something, and they're like, oh no, we have to cancel you, I won't be like, oh my god, they've cancelled me, let me no, honey. My business and my investments and my crypto investments will take care of all my bills. So, huh? Okay. Huh? And I don't think I will do anything. I will not want to do things that will make me to be cancelled. But I'm just saying, you always have to have a backup plan. Since I was a baby, they've always raised me to save money in those boxes, from those boxes into bags, from bags into coin savings, pennies and all, from that into bank accounts. See what I'm saying? Guys, dividend investing is a gold mine that people are not even looking into. I'm telling you now, start looking into it. The link is in the description, it's there. You click on it, you're on your way to start investing. Believe me, you will look down the line 2-3 years from now and you're like, oh my god, I'm so happy that Dove Daniels, I listened to what Dove Daniels said. Okay. Anyway, I cannot wait to see you guys soon in the next video. Last month it was 700. This month is 800. That's all I'm gonna say. We shall see what next month brings. But until next time, I'm out. I love you all so much. Someday my sisters will be able to live with me in a house bought by me. From my hustles. I don't want them to live with me and then they're like, oh my god, I have to find a job right now because I cannot. No, they'll be like, okay, I will find something that works for me. That not because they have to, but because they want to. I want that type of life, that privileged life for them, because I know what I've suffered since I was a baby. I don't want that generational curse to go to the next generation, especially my kids or my nephews. Oh no. And my sisters, you guys, my sisters, you all know. You know I love you all so much. I've already told mom if she has any house, any property that I bought for her, those properties goes to you guys. Like, it is what it is. Like, I'm not doing that. You guys, you keep it. If whatever I want, I'll get myself, okay? The world will be a better place if we just know how beautiful it is to be very accepting and loving, and just I don't know. I love you all so much. I'll see you guys. I'm too sweet for this world. That's why I've worked so hard so I can create these multiple streams of income, ways to make a living, because so I can now say, okay, hi society, bye, I love you all so much, and I'll just be doing my videos but not in person with people because it works for me. And then my kids, they won't be homeschooled. They have to go to school. They have to enjoy all those experiences too, but they'll have it in a different way. You guys know what I mean, right? I'm hot from the summer. Oh my god. And 17 lights. Woo! Until next time, dividend investing is real. Look, I've given myself $100 raise. I'm just saying. Bye, guys.
I am gagged.
Cause I'm loving myself real good.
Did you guys hear that? I'm scared.
In a way that you never could.